Today, we will tell you the incredible story of Robert Downey Jr., the man who became the legendary Iron Man. He is now one of the biggest stars in Hollywood, but his journey was not easy. He faced failure, addiction, and even time in prison. But instead of giving up, he fought back and changed his life completely. His story is not just about success. It is about resilience, hard work, and never losing hope. Let's dive deep into the life of Robert Downey Jr. and learn some powerful lessons. A unique childhood, 1965 to 1979. Robert Downey Jr. was born on April 4, 1965, in New York City, USA. His father, Robert Downey Sr., was a filmmaker, and his mother, Elsie Ann, was an actress. From the very beginning, Robert was surrounded by movies, acting, and Hollywood culture. Most children grow up playing with toys, but Robert's childhood was very different. His father introduced him to the world of cinema at an early age. At just 5 years old, he acted in his father's film, Pound. But there was something else that influenced his childhood, something dark and dangerous. His father was addicted to drugs, and unfortunately, he introduced Robert to drugs when he was only 8 years old. He thought it was a way to bond with his son, but in reality, it was the start of a dangerous addiction. Despite this, Robert was a talented child. He loved acting and wanted to become a great actor. But as he grew older, his addiction started controlling his life. Chasing dreams in Hollywood, 1980 to 1995. At the age of 17, Robert dropped out of school and moved to Hollywood to follow his dreams. He worked hard, attended acting classes, and started getting small roles in movies and television. In 1985, he joined Saturday Night Live, SNL, a famous comedy show. But things did not go well. People did not like his performances, and after just 1 year, he was fired from the show. Was this the end? No. Robert did not let failure stop him. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, he started acting in bigger movies like Less Than Zero and Chances Are. His breakthrough moment came in 1992 when he played Charlie Chaplin in the movie Chaplin. He was nominated for an Oscar, one of the biggest awards in Hollywood. People called him a genius actor, but behind the scenes, his life was falling apart. His addiction was getting worse. Even though he was famous, he was not happy. The darkest phase, drugs, jail, and losing everything, 1996 to 2003. Between 1996 and 2001, Robert's life went out of control. He was arrested multiple times for drug possession. One time, the police found him sleeping in a stranger's house. In 1999, the court gave him one last chance. They sent him to rehab, a place where people get help to stop using drugs. But he still could not control himself. In 2001, he was arrested again. Hollywood lost trust in him. He lost roles in big movies. Directors were afraid to hire him because they thought he would not show up for work. At one point, he had no money left. He had to take small jobs just to survive. He had hit rock bottom. At this point, most people would have given up. But Robert was different. He decided to fight back. The road to recovery, 2004 to 2007. Robert realized that if he did not change, he would lose everything. He made a decision. No more drugs, no more mistakes. He focused on getting healthy. He practiced martial arts, started meditating, and surrounded himself with good people. One of the biggest reasons for his transformation was his wife, Susan Levin. Susan believed in him when no one else did. She gave him a condition. If you want to be with me, you have to change. Robert loved her, and this motivated him to become a better person. Slowly, he started acting again. He got small roles, and step by step, he rebuilt his reputation. But he was still waiting for one big opportunity, the role that would change his life forever. Becoming Iron Man, 2008 to 2019. In 2007, Marvel Studios was making a superhero movie called Iron Man. They needed someone to play Tony Stark, a rich, intelligent, and charming man who becomes a superhero. The director, Jon Favreau, believed Robert was perfect for the role. But Marvel was scared. They thought, what if he goes back to his old habits? Robert did not let his past define him. He proved that he had changed. He was disciplined, hard-working, and completely focused. Marvel finally took the risk and gave him the role. When Iron Man was released in 2008, it became a massive success. People loved the movie, and most importantly, they loved Robert Downey Jr. as Iron Man. Over the next decade, he became the heart of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. He played Iron Man in the Avengers, Spider-Man, Captain America, and many other movies. He went from being a forgotten actor to becoming one of the highest-paid actors in Hollywood. He proved to the world that it is never too late to change. Lessons from Robert Downey Jr.'s life. Robert's story is more than just a Hollywood success story. It is a lesson in resilience and hope. Here are some key lessons we can learn from him. 1. Your past does not define your future. Robert had a troubled past, but he changed his life. 2. Failure is not the end. He was arrested, fired, and rejected, but he never gave up. 3. The right people can change your life. His wife, Susan, helped him stay strong. 4th, discipline and hard work can transform you. He worked hard to rebuild his career and became a legend. 5. Believe in yourself, even when others don't. Many people doubted him, but he proved them wrong. Today, Robert Downey Jr. is not just a movie star. He is a symbol of hope, redemption, and strength. His journey teaches us that no matter how many mistakes you make, you can always rise again. He showed the world that true success is not about never failing, but about never giving up. What do you think about Robert Downey Jr.'s story? Let us know in the comments. Would you like to hear more inspiring stories? Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you for listening. Keep learning. Keep improving.